Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Vedic Math again. We learnt the addition, the subtraction, multiplication. We will learn making the table. Make the table of any numbers quickly. We will know the table of 1 to 9 easily. Based on it, table of large numbers can be easily constructed. Vedic Mathematics has a very simple and interesting method of making tables. The unit digit of the number to be table is to be added when the sums come to 10 or more. Put a single sign in the decimal place next to it, and that is 10 is subtracted from that number and the remaining number will be placed in the unit place. Same way, the number in the decade is to be added where the multiple sign. Write a copy of it wherever it comes, then add the decade digit to it. For example, we make the table of 32. Step 1, unit digit has 2. So adding 2 to unit digit each time. We first write 32. Then unit digit is 2. We add unit digit each time. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, and 8 plus 2, 10. So we put 0 because where we find the 10 or more digit numbers, we minus it, placing a decimal point in the decimal place next to where it occurs. So we put single sign. Again 0, we add 2, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, and again 8 plus 2, 10. So we put single sign, we get 10, therefore we put a single sign, and 10 minus 10 gives 0, so we write down 0. The decade digit has 3. The decade digit has 3, so keep adding to the decade digit each time. 3, 3 plus 3, 6, then 9, then 12, then 12 plus 3, 15 is written down in the bracket, and single sign on 15 means 16. Then we calculate 16 plus 3, understood it, next to it numbers. So single sign on 15 means it's 16. 16 plus 3 gives 19. 19 plus 3 gives 22. 22 plus 3 gives 25. 25 plus 3, 28. And 28 plus 3, 31. So single sign on 31 gives 32. We can easily get the table of any number. Now we make the table of 45. 45 1 45. The unit digit has 5. So adding 5 to unit digit each time, and where we get 10 or more numbers, we put a single sign in bracket. 5 plus 5, 10. So we put 0 and we do the single sign on bracket. Then 0 plus 5 get 5. Again 5 plus 5, 10. So 10 minus 10, 0. And we put a single sign because we get 10 or more numbers. 0 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So we add 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So we put a single sign in bracket. 0 plus 5 gives 5, and 5 plus 5, 10. So we put a single sign. Placing a decimal point in the decimal place next to where 10 occurs. The decade digit has 4. So keep adding 4 to the decade digit each time. 4 plus 4, 8. So we put 8 in bracket. Single sign on 8 means 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. Single sign on 17 means 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 4, 26. Single sign on 26 means 27. 27 plus 4 gives 31. 31 plus 4 gives 35. We write down in bracket. Single sign on 35 means 36. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 plus 4, 44. Single sign on 44 means 45. In this type, we get table of any number 1 to 99. We making the table of 61. In 61, unit digit has 1. So adding 1 to unit digit each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and again we get 10. So we did not write down 10. We put a single sign, bracket, and we put 0. Then the decade digit 6. So keep adding 6 to the decade each time. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. 36 plus 6, 42. 42 plus 6, 48. 48 plus 6, 54. And 54 plus 6, 60. Single sign on 60 means 61. Thus, we make the table of any of the number from 1 to 99. You can make table of any number. So, subscribe and join our community of lifelong learners from basic arithmetic to advanced problem solving strategies. Vedic Math simplify it all. And let's make math fun and easy together. Thank you.